Now let us see the problem number 4, student. What is the problem? Okay. So problem number 4 is saying that is which one of the following has the highest dipole moment. Okay. There are three options they have given: CS2Cl2, CsCl3 and CCl4. Dear student, highest dipole moment. So how can you calculate? So student, dipole moment if you talk about, student, is a vector quantity. No, it is a vector quantity. So how can you calculate this is vector quantity? So firstly you see, student, if you want to see the structure of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So carbon tetrachloride, if you are going to do the diagram, student, how you will find this is this, suppose this is the carbon tetrachloride structure, and when you are watching out, student, carbon tetrachloride, so you will find that is they all is having the opposite direction. Suppose there is Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. So what will the vector will be going, electron will go in that direction. So for this one, this is the opposite direction. Okay, for this one you see it this direction and this one is this direction. So what will happen, student, the resultant vector when you are talking about, they will be cancelling out each other. This will cancel this and this will cancel this. So that is mu CH CCl4, if you calculating mu CCl4 equal to 0, right, student? Next one we are having the option, okay, CHCl3. So let us see, student, what would be the for the CHCl3. So if you talk about CHCl3, student, its structure is like that. Here if you see the structure of CHCl3, student, what would be the structure? Here is the like that structure is there, CHCl3. So if suppose the structure of the CHCl3 is coming like, here is the hydrogen, student, and 3 Cl are like that, Cl. So here it is going this direction electron, this is coming this direction electron. So this cancel out, and here is going this direction. Okay, so that is this is going this direction. So that is dipole moment will be due to what, student? CHCl, no CCl, no CH, no CCl. So this direction, and how much mu value is there? No, because only one CCl bond is there, so it is there 1.03, no dipole moment. And now when you are talking about the CH2Cl2, student, CH2Cl2, so how you will be able to do the diagram, student? Carbon, here is Cl is there, here is hydrogen, and then again here is Cl, and this side hydrogen. So what is there? This is going, student, electron is moving to the more electronegative, carbon is more electronegative, and this is also going this direction, this is all going this direction. So means that the direction is going in the same direction, and resultant will be the between these two. So dipole moment will be very high, due to how much is due to 2, here is CCl bond, 2 CCl bond. Here is how much is there? Only one CCl bond, student. This and this is cancel out, only one CCl bond. So here mu is equal to coming how much, student? If you 1.62D. So what we can say, student, that is dichloromethane. Okay, dichloromethane is having high dipole moment. I explained also, student, high dipole moment. So what we have to do, student, you have to keep in mind that the firstly you draw the structure, and then we have to check the vector somewhere is going. Thank you so much for watching, friends.